Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and once again thank you so much for all of the subscribers. And for today we will be making Oreo ice cream with only 3 simple ingredients. First, we need 1 cup of Oreo cookies. Second, we need 1 cup of heavy cream. And our third ingredient is 1 cup of condensed milk. We will just put everything in the blender. Here's our heavy cream and our condensed milk. And then we will just blend it all on whip. Okay, now that our mixture is already blended, we will transfer this to our container. Now that our mixture is already in the container, we will put it in our ice cream maker, or we can just put it inside the freezer for like 4 hours. Okay, you just want to make sure that it's locked, and we'll turn the on button. We will turn this ice cream maker for 20 minutes until our ice cream mixture is already formed. Now that it's 20 minutes already, we will turn this off. And as I can see, my ice cream is still a little soft, so I will transfer this mixture to a container and put it in a freezer, because I want my ice cream just enough softness and hardness. You see, it's like a softy ice cream, but I want, like a little hardness on it. So we'll transfer our mixture here. You see, it becomes like the softy ice cream from the machine. So we'll put this one on the freezer for like 2 to 4 hours, so it will be hard that we can scoop it. Now we removed our ice cream in the freezer. looks good. Now, here is our Oreo ice cream. Now it's time to taste it. Mmm. It's soft and yummy. Enjoy! By the way, please don't forget to click the like if you like this video, and comment below and subscribe to my channel. Take care and be safe. God bless.